And today we're going to be checking out this chlorine box. That's right, this is a tablet dispenser that you put in your pool and it floats around, slowly dissolving that tablet, keeping chlorine in your pool. But this one is different than most. We all recognize them normally. It's like usually a big blue or white circle that just floats uselessly in the pool. But what's different about this one is it's got a solar panel on top and it's full RGB light up. So it can add to a party atmosphere or a night atmosphere in the evenings to give your pool that little extra special look. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, take a look at it, and I'm going to show you the specs and features of this little chlorinator box. All right, so this is how it comes. No assembly required. You're going to get the pool chlorinator and you're going to get the remote control. Just that simple. Now when you look at this up close, on the remote you do have on, off, speed settings, mode settings. You can dim it, you can brighten it, you have RGB, a couple other colors. You have a multicolor mode, you can turn it white, play or pause it, and you have a 2-hour, 4-hour, and 6-hour timer. And to activate the remote, you just pull this little tab and your battery will make contact. Here's the actual chlorinator itself. You just twist it to open it, and then this is your little basket right here. This is where you would drop your 3-inch or 1-inch chlorine tablet, and then to reinstall it, you just put it on there and you twist. Now to turn this unit on, if you look right here, you can see it has an on-off button. You know, there's no button to push, so what you have to do is you squeeze the entire unit like that to activate it. You hear the click, off, on, and then once it's on, you'd put your tablet in, push and twist. Then you can rotate this little bottom mesh right here as to how much water you want to come through the dispenser, controlling how quickly that tablet will dissolve, and then just toss it in the pool and you're ready to go. It is solar rechargeable, so the sun will charge it up all day long. Therefore, it's always ready to go. So let's get a chlorine tablet, stick it in here, toss it in the pool, and then we'll come back tonight and see how well it works. All right, so as we described before, we'll just open this up. Take our tablet, drop it in there, reinstall this on the bottom, twist the lock, and there you go. It is now floating away in the pool. So let's let it charge up for the rest of the day. We'll come back tonight and see how it works. All right, so there's our little light over there just floating around the pool. You can see it's in a multicolor mode right now, and I'm going to show you first that you can dim it. Gets a little dimmer, you can brighten it back up. You have different modes, of course, but first I'm going to go through the solid colors. You can just pick red, green, blue, yellow, pink, aqua color. You can pick it multicolor, which it was in. You could go to white. If you want to go through modes, you can see some of these different modes that you can select. And it will do like the same mode for each color, and then you go to the next round of effects. I'm just kind of scrolling through the modes right now. There's a cool one. Just all kind of different effects to match any type of party or any type of mood. These are the different breathing modes, so it'll slowly breathe whatever color you choose. This will charge, like I said, during the day. It will give you up to 12 hours of light at night. Probably the way I would use it is I would just set it on a 2-hour or 4-hour timer, so once the sun goes down, it'll stay on for a couple hours and then shut off unless you need it all night long. But overall, it's a really cool little light to add to your pool, and it's also going to add chlorine, which is functional. It's completely waterproof. It takes 3-inch or 1-inch tablets, and as you see, it comes fully assembled and it's really easy to use. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.